Welcome to my channel. How to connect a Honeywell thermostat to Wi-Fi. These instructions apply to the Honeywell Total Connect Comfort Wi-Fi thermostat. Download the Honeywell Total Connect Comfort app. It's available for both iOS and Android. Verify that the words Wi-Fi setup are displayed across the thermostat screen. If not, you'll have to manually put the thermostat into Wi-Fi setup mode. To do so, press the fan and up buttons at the same time and hold for about 5 seconds, or until two numbers appear on the screen. Press the next button until the number on the left changes to 39, use the up or down arrow to change the number on the screen to 0, then press the Done button. Your thermostat is now in Wi-Fi setup mode. View the list of available networks on your smartphone or other smart device. Search for a network called New Thermostat _123456 or something similar and connect to it. Your mobile phone will now disconnect from any other Wi-Fi networks and connect to the thermostat. Choose to make it a home network. Open your web browser and it should immediately direct you to the Wi-Fi setup page. If it doesn't, enter http://192.168.1.1 into the address bar. Search for your home's Wi-Fi network and tap it. Even if your router has enhanced features that allow it to display guest networks, select your home network. Tap Connect and enter your password if necessary. The screen will display a waiting message during this process. Once the process is complete, your thermostat will be connected. And you can now control it via the Honeywell Total Connect Comfort website or the mobile app.